Hello, và xin chào các bạn đến với video của mình. Thì lại là mình, cbé2k16 đây. Đã lâu lắm rồi mình chưa đăng video. Video gần nhất mình đăng đã hơn 3 tháng rồi. Thì hôm nay mình sẽ làm video về chủ đề hành trình leo từ chiến lên cao thủ. Video này gồm 2 tập. Tập đầu tiên mình sẽ leo lên huyền thoại. Hiện tại mức danh tử chiến của mình đang là kim cương 4. Bây giờ thì vào trận thôi. Trước khi vào video thì mình mong các bạn nhấn like và đăng ký giúp mình lên 1000 sub nhanh nhất.
Day and all night, we stay young, we were so right, we were so young, we were so dumb, we would get drunk and then hook up, we would go home, we were all staying up till the sunrise, we were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good ride, never was. Look up in my car, watching so far, play you guitar, you'd show me your heart, let down our guards, sing with our hearts, stare at the stars, we were never apart, young, way too much fun, out in the sun, hoping when it's gone, took you too far, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
Mày đâu? Anh em phối hợp thế được rồi.
Weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were reckless, drinking all night, asleep by your side. We're just right, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We can't be controlled. It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be.
How careless we were. Now I remember you and me. How careless
All day and all night. So right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug. We hook up in my car, driving so far. Playing guitar, you'd show me your heart. Lay down our cards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too much, way too much fun. Out in the sun, hoping when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song. Dance all night long till the lights come on.
Cảm ơn nhé.
It's too late now, I remember everything. And how careless we could be. How careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless and how careless we could be. Late nights, long fights, it felt right. We were alive. We would go out. We were so loud. We were so proud. We had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays we'd spend.
Giờ thì hẹn gặp lại các bạn ở video tiếp theo.
We were fearless.